The velvet worm emerges at night when Earth is damp and leaves gleam. Its movement is so quiet it's almost unheard. It hides by day under rotten branches and stones. At dusk, it hunts insects, like an alien in an unknown forest. It neither bites nor lunges. It shoots sticky slime, forming an airborne net. This net hardens instantly, gluing the prey's legs. This sticky web extends tens of centimeters, binding grass and bark. The victim is glued in place. The worm calmly approaches, finishing the hunt quickly. Watch all videos on the YouTube channel Earth Monsters.